Chapter 10 Space Mission. Introduction. Man has always been curious about unknown places, and he has always been eager to expand the horizons of his knowledge by exploring the unknown world. He must have a deep curiosity about space and many twinkling stars in the dark sky. He must have had dreams to fly to the space and must have been working for it. Man not only have the curiosity of unknown places on the earth, but also about the unknown places around the earth. In this chapter, we are going to study about the space exploration done by men to quench his thirst to the knowledge of his knowledge. In the previous class, we have studied the portion of the earth atmosphere and the portion beyond that which can be seen from the roof by our eyes while standing on the earth is called as sky. Whereas the continuous empty space between the sphere in the sky is called space. It may contain gases and dust particles. Numerous star clusters are formed in space. Out of all different groups of stars, our solar system consists of Sun, 8 planets, their satellites, dwarf planets, comets, and asteroids. Do you remember what is satellite? A celestial bodies that revolve around the planet without independently revolving around the sun is called satellite. Moon is only the natural satellite of the earth. Man has stepped on the moon. Also, he has sent some spacecraft to explore unknown facts of the universe. Let us study how this has become possible. Space mission. Substantial development of technology, especially space technology, in the later half of 20th century resulted in the development of spacecraft and making space voyages possible. Since then, more than thousands of artificial satellites have been placed into the orbit around the Earth. Additionally, space missions have been undertaken for close observation of various objects in our solar system. We will learn all this in this chapter about various space missions. Now, we can classify the space mission into two categories. In one type of mission, the objective is to put artificial satellite in orbit around the Earth for research and various other useful application. The objective of the second mission is to send the spacecraft to outer space for closer observation and understanding of the objects in solar system or even outside the solar system. Do you know? The first person going into the space in a spacecraft was Yuri Gagarin of the USSR. He orbited the Earth in 1961. The first person to step on the moon in 1969 was Neil Armstrong of USA. Rakesh Sharma of India orbited the Earth in 1984 in Russian spacecraft. Kalpana Chawla and Sunita Williams of Indian origin also participated in the space exploration through mission organized by NASA, National Aeronautics and Space Administration of USA. In previous grade, we have already studied about types of telescope are orbiting around the Earth's surface. Let's recall them. Do you know any one of them? Yeah, right. So, some of the active telescopes orbiting around the Earth includes optical telescope, gamma ray telescope, X-ray telescope, telescope receiving ultraviolet rays, infrared telescope, microwave telescope, radio wave telescope, telescope receiving the gravitational waves. Now there are some more questions related with the space mission. Now we all have cell phones with us. All have, no? Yeah. Now we talk from one place to the other place across the world, right? Now from where do the signal come from? Okay. How do the mobile towers receive the signals? Okay. How the signals are transformed from one place to the other? So these all questions may arrive in your mind. How do it happen? Then we are very much fond of watching TVs. Where do that signal come from? From where do the satellite gets means we see the live matches on TV, right? So how do these live matches come on the TV? In newspaper, we see different photographs of monsoon clouds and broadcasting weather reports and all that. Okay, from where do these images are obtained? Now, all this is possible because of satellites. We have already learned that with natural satellite, there are many artificial satellites revolving around the Earth. Okay, and artificial satellites are launched into the space through space mission. This we are going to study in the next session. Thank you.